go with integration by substitutions. And I'm telling you, excuse me, this part is the determining thing in integration. Once you are understanding the previous video of x and star method and you're understanding substitutions, I'm telling you, you're done with 90% of integration. So what it means? Let me say I have integrate log x by x dx. Excuse me. So here I am given log x and x. Just search whose differentiation is there in the question. So I know if I'll search dy dx of log x, I know that this is 1 by x, and the question is nothing but 1 by x into log x dx. So as log x derivative is 1 by x and that is there, what I will do is log x I will take as t. Then differentiate this. This is 1 by x, just write or dx, this you write as dt. Now 1 by, see, I'm actually differentiating but I'm not bothering much on that. So log x is 1 by x, just write a dx, t is dt. So 1 by x and dx will go off as dt. So the question becomes log x is nothing but t, transfer everything in terms of t, so log x is t and all this is nothing but dt, t dt. So t dt is nothing but x dx integration. So this was x square by 2 obeying to x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So this will be t square by 2. Just write a plus c. So how to deal with this is just search whose differentiation is which one. Let's bother another question. Let me say cos of root x by root x dx. Now in this, if you'll see the question, you will find cos of something is given. Now dy dx of cos is minus sign, which is not there in the question. There is no sign. So I'll just move to the next. I'll just see the root x. Dy dx of root x is how much? It's 1 by 2 root x. There is a root x here. So what I will do, I will just multiply a 2 here and a 2 here. So what I'm doing is root x I'm taking as t. Dy dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Dx is dt. So there is a 1 here in fact. So 1 by 2 root x dx, all this go off from the picture as dt and I'm left with the cos of t. There is a 2 standing outside. So cos x, t dt means is the same as that of cos x dx. So integration of cos x is sin x. So integration of cos t is sin t. There is a 2 here plus c. Finally, you can write t is how much I have taken is root x plus c, or from here you can write where t equals to root x. Now let's do this 1 by x square cos of 1 by x dx. Many books do not follow the process that I'm following in integration, so integration becomes something very much confusing. Now whose differentiation is which one? Cos is minus sign, which is not there in the question. 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, so I will take 1 by x as t minus 1 by x square dx is dt. Many books attempt to write something like dx is dt x square by minus 1 and all that stuff they're doing. That way somebody is lost in integration. Do not do anything. Try to make a balance. Try to balance this equation. hit and trial basically. So there is a minus 1 by x square. I'm left with only 1 by x square. What I'll do, I'll make a minus here, I'll make a minus here. So this becomes minus 1 by x square dx is your dt. I'm transferring the question. This is cos t dt. There is a minus sign outside. Integration of cos is sine t plus c. You can simply write where t is 1 by x. It can simply be anything like integrate sine of log x by x dx. So what will take, you can make out that log x is 1 by x, which is weighting outside, weighting down. So log x is t, 1 by x dx is dt. So dx and 1 by x go as dt. I'm left with a sine t. So this is minus cos t plus c, where t equals to log x.